Today, we're diving into the secrets of financial success that can unlock the door to making $1 million in just 1 month. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is it really possible to achieve such a financial milestone in just 30 days? Well, stick around because we're about to reveal the strategies that successful entrepreneurs use to turn their dreams into 7-figure realities. Segment 1: Mindset Matters. First things first, let's talk about mindset. Building wealth starts with the right mentality. We'll explore the powerful mindset shifts that successful millionaires have adopted to attract abundance into their lives. Get ready to transform your thinking and supercharge your financial journey. Segment 2: Income Streams Unleashed. Diversifying your income streams is key. We'll uncover the lucrative opportunities that can skyrocket your earnings. From passive income ideas to high-yield investments, we've got you covered. Learn how to make your money work for you and watch those zeros add up. Segment 3: Hustle hard, work smart. Success doesn't come easy, but it doesn't have to be complicated either. We'll share the most effective productivity hacks and time management strategies to help you hustle hard and work smart. Maximize your efforts and see the results faster than you ever thought possible. Segment 4: Networking and Collaboration. No one succeeds alone. Discover the power of networking and collaboration in the world of wealth creation. We'll spill the beans on how strategic partnerships can open doors to opportunities you never imagined. Remember, your network is your net worth. There you have it. Financial Trailblazers, the ultimate guide on how to make $1 million in 1 month. But remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Apply these secrets, stay consistent, and watch your financial dreams unfold.